Hello students, welcome to Tungal online classes. In the last class, we have discussed about problems based on CDR, ASDR and STDR. Today we shall continue the remaining problems based on STDR. Here 24th problem, calculate STDR and comment. Calculate standardized death rate and comment. Here they are given age group, standard population, village A population death, village B population death. Here we have to calculate STDR for A and STDR for B. Here first you have to calculate ASDR for population A and ASDR for population B. Here we have to find first A and B values. A is nothing but ASDR for population A and B is nothing but ASDR for population B or village B. Okay, here solution. ASDR for village A, ASDRs for village A, ASDRs for village A is, that is ASDRs for the age group 0 to 20, ASDR for the age group 0 to 20 is number of deaths in the age group, the number of deaths in the age group zero to 20 divided by total population in the age group that is 0 to 20 into 1000. You have to substitute the values. Number of deaths in the age group 0 to 20, number of deaths for village A, that is 128, divided by number of population in the age group, population is 8000 into 1000. Here 128 divided by 8, then we get 16, that is ASDR for 0 to 20 is 16. You have to put 16. Next, remaining ASDRs calculated by directly, not writing like this. Here 65 divided by 13,000 into 1000, then we will get 5. Next 140 divided by 10,000 into 1000, then we will get 14. Next 252 divided by 4000 into 1000, then we will get 63. Next step is you have to find ASDR for village B. That is ASDR for the age group 0 to 20, that is DT by PT into 1000. Here DT is number of deaths in the age group 0 to 20 is 72 divided by number of population in the age group 0 to 20 is 4000 into 1000, then we will get 72 divided by 4, then we will get 18. It is B is 18. ASDR for village B is 18, first one. Next one 54 divided by 9000 into 1000, then we will get 6. Next 98 divided by 7000 into 1000, then we will get 14. 129 divided by 3000 into 1000, then we will get 43. Okay, Here next step is we have to find STDR for A and STDR for B. Here STDR for A and STDR for B. First one, STDR for A is sum of PA by sum of P. Here sum of PA, where A is the ASTDR for village A, and P is the standard population. It is not normal population, P is the standard population. Here you have to multiply P into A. P value is what? That is the standard population, it is the P. P, that is 2000 into 16. Then we will get 32,000. The next P value, standard population into A, that is 3 5s are 15. That is 5 into 30,000, then we will get 1,50,000. The next 35,000 into 14. 14. Then we will get 4,90,000. The next one is 15,000 into 63. Then we will get 9,45,000. If you want sum of PA, that is 9,45,000 plus 4,90,000 plus 1,50,000 plus 3,20,000. 32,000. Okay, 20,000 into 16 is 3,20,000. It is 3,20,000. Then we will get 19,05,000. Here sum of standard population is 20 plus 30 50, 50 plus 50 is 1 lakh. Here sum of standard population is 1 lakh. Here substitute the values. Sum of PA is 19,05,000 divided by sum of P is 1 lakh. Then we will get 19.05 STDR for A. STDR for A is 19.05. Next we have to find STDR for B. STDR for B, that is sum of PB by sum of P. If you have to multiply P into B, P is a standard population, same as it is with respect to B values. Here 18 into 20,000, 18 into 20,000, 18 to the 36, 4 zeros, 3,60,000. The next one is 15 3 is the 45. 3 6 is 18. 30,000 into 6. 1,80,000. Next one is 35,000 into 14, 4,90,000. The next one is 15,000 into 43. Then we'll get 6,45,000. If you want sum of PB, 6,45,000 plus 4,90,000 plus 1,80,000 plus 3,60,000. Then we'll get 16,75,000. Substitute the values. 16,75,000 divided by 1 lakh. Then we'll get 16.75. It is STDR for B. STDR for A is 19.05 and STDR for B is 16.05. Okay, next comment on the result. Comment here STDR for A is, therefore STDR for A is greater than STDR for B. Therefore, hence village B is, therefore village B is more healthy population. More healthy population. Village B is more healthy population because here the population which has STDR minimum is the healthy population. The population which has the STDR minimum is the healthy population. Here STDR for A is 19.05 and STDR for B is 16.75. Here minimum value is what? 16.75. That is village B. Therefore, the village B is more healthy population. The lesser the value of STDR is the more healthy population. It is a 10 marks question, very important question, fixed question. Okay. First, you have to find all the ASFRs. Afterwards, you have to substitute the values. You have to find A value. Here A indicates ASDR for population or village A and B indicates ASDR for village B. First, you have to find ASDR for village A. Okay. That is ASDR for the age group 0 to 20. That is number of deaths divided by average population into 1000. Then we will get 16. Similarly, you have to calculate directly. And next, you have to find ASDR for village B, that is B, it is denoted by B, that is ASDR for the age group 0 to 20 is DT by PT. In shortcut, it is a DT by PT, that is number of deaths by population into 1000. In shortcut, it is DT by PT into 1000, that is 72,000 divided by 4,000 into 1000, then we will get 18. Similarly, 15,400 divided by 9,000 into 1000, then we will get 6 up to so on. 129 divided by 3,000 into 1000, then we will get 43. Next, we have to write the STDR for A and STDR for B formulas. That is STDR for A is sum of PA by sum of P. STDR for B is sum of PB by sum of P. Then we have to find P. We have to multiply P into A. That is which P? That is the standard population P. This P into A and PB standard population into B. Then we will get total 16,75,000. Okay. Then substitute the values. Then we will get STDR for A is 19.05 and STDR for B is 16.75. Therefore, village B is a more healthy population. Okay. The next problem. Next problem, 26th. Calculate STDRs taking locality A as a standard population. Taking locality A as a standard population. Here, the one more column, standard population column is not given. Okay, here you have to consider locality A as a standard population. It is a standard population. Consider locality A as a standard population. Suppose taking locality B as a standard population, locality B, it is a standard population. Here consider locality A as a standard population. Here the standard population extra column is not given. You have to take locality A as the standard population. Suppose taking locality B as a standard population means you have to take locality B as a standard population. It is a P value, standard population. Okay. Here first you have to find ASDRs. You have to solution. You have to find ASDRs for locality A. ASDRs for locality A. ASDRs for locality A. That is ASDR for the age group below 5. For the age group below 5, that is DT by PT into 1000. Here ASDR for the age group below 5. Here DT is what? 140 divided by PT value is 5000 into 1000. Then we will get 140 divided by 5. Then we will get 28. Here A value, first A value is 28. Next, calculate directly. 50 divided by 12,000, 50 divided by 12,000, then we'll get 4.16, it is 28, 4.16. The next 80 divided by 15,000 into 1000, then we'll get 5.33. The next 150 divided by 4,000 into 1000, 150 divided by 4,000 into 1000, then we'll get 37.5. Next we have to calculate B values, that is ASDR for locality B. Locality B, ASDR for the age group below 5 is dt by pt into 1000. Here dt value is 145, 145 divided by pt is 4000 into 1000. Here 145 divided by 4, then we'll get 36.25, 36.25. Here the first value is 36.25. The next one, 60 divided by 11,000 into 1000, then we'll get 5.45. The next 90 divided by 14,000 into 1000, 90 divided by 14,000 into 1000, then we'll get a 6.42. The next 110 divided by 3000 into 1000, then we'll get a 36.66. Next we have to apply formula. STDR for A is sum of PA by sum of P, where P is the standard population and A is the ASTDR for locality A. Here we have to multiply PA, which P, that is the standard population, taking locality A as a standard population. Here locality A population is the standard. You have to consider this population for both locality and locality B. Okay. Here 5,000 into 28, then we'll get 1,40,000. Next 1,20,000, 12,000, 12,000 into 4.16, then we'll get 49,920. The next one, 15,000 into 5.33, then we'll get 79,950. Next 4,000 into 37.5, then we'll get 1,50,000. We want sum of PA, 1,50,000 plus 79,950 plus 49,920 plus 1,40,000. Then we'll get 419,870, 4,19,870. Next we have to multiply PB, standard population P into B, that is 5,000 into 36.5,000 into 36.25, then we'll get 181,250, 181,250. The next 12,000 into B, 5.45, then we'll get 65,400. The next 15,000 into 6.42, then we'll get 96,300. Next 4,000 into 36.66, then we'll get 1,46,640. You have to add all these values plus 96,300 plus 65,400 plus 1,81,250. Then we'll get 4,89,590. Then substitute the value. Sum of PA is 4,19,870 divided by sum of P, sum of standard population, 5 plus 17, 17 plus 15 plus 4, then we'll get 3,36,000. 15, 19, 19, 29, 29, 31, 31, 36,000. Okay, here 4,19,870 divided by 36,000 is 11.66. 11.66. Next, you have to find STDR for B. Sum of PB by sum of P. Sum of PB is 4,89,590 divided by 36,000. Sum of population, standard population. Then we will get 4,89,590 divided by 36,000. Then we'll get a 13.59. It is STDR for B. Okay, it is the one method. Another method is there, or another method. Suppose if taking locality A as a standard population or locality B as a standard population, then there is no need to calculate STDR for A and STDR for B. Suppose taking locality A as a standard population, then there is no need to calculate STDR for A. Directly, that is CDR for A equal to STDR for A. We have to find CDR for A. Okay, here both will get same answer. In CDR for A and STDR for A, both the methods will get same answer, that is 11.66. Suppose taking locality B as a standard population, okay, then there is no need to calculate STDR for B. Only you have to calculate STDR for A and CDR for B. Okay, see here CDR for A is equal to CDR for A equal to D by P into 1000. D by P into 1000. Number of deaths by population, 140 plus 50 plus 80 plus 150. Then we'll get 420. Here D is 420 divided by population is 36,000 into 1000. Then we'll get 420 divided by 36,000 into 1000. Then we get 11.66. It is a CDR for A. CDR for A. Therefore, CDR for A is equal to STDR for A. CDR for A equal to STDR for A. When suppose if taking locality A as a standard population, then there is no need to calculate STDR for A. Only you have to calculate CDR for A. Then therefore CDR for A equal to STDR for A. Both the methods will get same answers. Suppose taking locality B as a standard population, then there is no need to calculate STDR for B. Okay, here you have to find only CDR for B. CDR for B equal to STDR for B. Both are same answer. Both the methods will get same answer. Okay, it is about STDR. Okay, now okay, remaining problems you only do it. Okay, here 23rd problem, 25th problem and 27th problem homework. Okay, assignment. Okay, you only calculate. Okay, the next concept is, the next mortality is infant mortality rate. Infant mortality rate. Fourth measure. Okay, here there are totally 6 measures are there. One is crude death rate, second one is ASDR, A specific death rate, standardized death rate, infant mortality rate, neonatal death rates and maternal mortality rate. Okay, three measures are over, three mortality rates are over, and fourth one is infant mortality rate. Infant mortality rate, IMR. It is a IMR. What is the infant mortality rate? Definition. Here, the average number of deaths of infants, the average number of deaths of infants per 1000 live births in a year, per 1000 live births in a year is called as infant mortality rate. The average number of infants deaths per 1000 live births in a year. Okay, here what is the infant mortality rate? The average number of infant deaths per 1000 live births in a year is called as infant mortality rate. Okay, here the term infant means what? Here infant means children aged less than 1 year. Children age less than 1 year of life is called as infant. Children age less than 1 year. Okay, 1 year ಒಳಗೆ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಮಗು ಸತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಸತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಫೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಫೆಂಟ್ ಡೆತ್ಸ್. ವಿತಿನ್ 1 ಇಯರ್ದಾಗೆ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದಂಥ ಮಗು ಏನದ ತೀರ್ಕೋತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆತ್ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಇನ್ಫೆಂಟ್ mortality rate. Infant. Here what is infant? The average number of infant deaths per 1000 live births in a year. Only here only stillbirth. Okay, stillbirths are not included in the infants. Stillbirths are not included in the infants. ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಹುಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, here it can be calculated as IMR equal to the number of deaths of infants number of deaths of infants in a year divided by number of live births in a year into 1000. Okay, it can be calculated as IMR equal to number of deaths of infants in a year divided by number of live births in a year into 1000. Okay, it is about infant mortality rate. Okay, next fifth measure is neonatal mortality rate. Neonatal mortality rate here neonatal mortality rate is NMR. Neonatal mortality rate is denoted by NMR. Then what is the neonatal mortality rate? Here neonatal, the term neonatal means neonatal is nothing but the babies aged less than 28 days is called neonatal. What is a neonatal? The babies aged less than 28 days. The babies age less than 28 days is a neonatal. Okay, here the children age less than 1 year is the infant. Then what is a neonatal? The babies age less than 28 days of life. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 28 ಡೇಸ್ ಏನು ಮಗು ಏನು ಹುಟ್ಟಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲ 28 ಡೇಸ್ ಡೆತ್ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಿಯೋನಾಟಲ್ದಾಗ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ನಿಯೋನಾಟಲ್. ದ ಬೇಬೀಸ್ ಏಜ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 28 ಡೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ನಿಯೋನಾಟಲ್. 28 ಡೇಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ತಿರ್ಕೋತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆತ್ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಿಯೋನಾಟಲ್. 1 ಇಯರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ತಿರ್ಕೋತಪ್ಪ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಫೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ನಿಯೋನಾಟಲ್ ಮೋರ್ಟಾಲಿಟಿ ರೇಟ್? NMR. Here definition: the average number of neonatal deaths. The average number of neonatal deaths per thousand live births in a year is called as a neonatal mortality rate. The average number of neonatal deaths per 1000 live births in a year. ಓಕೆ, 1000 ಒಳಗೆ ಹುಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾವೆ, ಮಗು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದಪ್ಪ, ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಯ್ತವಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಲ್ಲ ನಿಯೋನಾಟಲ್ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 1000 neonatal deaths ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ರೇಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ neonatal mortality rate. The average number of neonatal deaths per 1000 live births in a year. It can be calculated as NMR equal to the number of deaths of neonatal in a year divided by number of live births in a year. Number of live births in a year into 1000. Here you have to consider number of deaths of neonatals in a year divided by number of live births in a year into 1000. Okay. Instead of infant we have to use neonatal deaths. Okay, it is about neonatal mortality rate. Okay, next last measurement is maternal mortality rate. Sixth one, maternal mortality rate. Maternal mortality rate, that is MMR. It is denoted by MMR. What is the maternal mortality rate? Here infant means children age 1 year of life is infant. The next neonatal is the baby's age 28 days of life is a neonatal. Then what is the maternal? Here the maternal means the deaths of mothers at the time of childbirth. The deaths of mothers at the time of childbirth is a maternal mortality rate. ಇವಾಗ ಮಗು ಹುಡ್ತಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಆಗೋ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಮಗು ಹುಟ್ಟೋ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಮದರ್ ಡೈಡ್ ಆದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆತ್ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ನಲ್ mortality rate ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೆತ್ಸ್ at the time of childbirth is a maternal mortality rate. Definition: the average number of deaths of mothers, the average number of deaths of mothers at the time of childbirth, at the time of childbirth per thousand live births in a year is called as a maternal mortality rate. What is the maternal mortality rate? The average number of deaths of mothers. The average number of deaths of mothers at the time of childbirth per 1000 live births in a year. Out of 1000 daga yes mother death agtave at the time of childbirth adrinadella consider only maternal mortality rate da consider agtade. Okay, it can be calculated as MMR equal to total number of deaths of mothers, due to childbirth divided by average population. Okay, number of live births in a year, into 1000 MMR equal to number of deaths of mothers due to childbirth divided by number of live births in a year into 1000. Okay, it is about maternal mortality rate. Once again, what is the infant mortality rate? The average number of deaths of infants per 1000 live births in a year is the infant. What is the neonatal NMR? The average number of deaths of neonatals per 1000 live births in a year. Then what is the maternal mortality rate? The average number of deaths of mothers at the time of childbirth per 1000 live births in a year. It can be calculated as total number of deaths of mothers due to childbirth divided by number of live births in a year into 1000. Okay, next we shall discuss the problems based on neonatal mortality rate, infant mortality rate and maternal mortality rate. Okay, here the problem number is problem number fifth problem. Fifth problem. In a particular city, 3000 live births occurred in a particular year. In a particular city, 3000 live births, that is B equal to 3000 live births, number of live births, equal to 3000. The number of neonatal deaths was 90. Neonatal deaths equal to 90. Calculate neonatal mortality rate. Calculate NMR, neonatal mortality rate. Calculate neonatal mortality rate. Here it is a 2 marks question. You have to solution. You have to apply formula, that is NMR equal to number of deaths of neonatals, neonatal in a year divided by number of live births in a year into 1000. Then substitute values. number of deaths of neonatal babies, neonatal deaths 90 divided by number of live births is 3000 into 1000, 3 1 3 3 then we'll get 30 is the NMR, neonatal mortality rate is 30, NMR equal to 30. It is a 2 marks question. The next question, sixth one, in a locality 10,000 live births occurred, in a locality 10,000 live births occurred, number of live births 10,000. Sixth problem, and infant deaths was 500, infant deaths was 500. Calculate IMR, calculate IMR. Same as it is, you have to apply solution, you have to apply IMR formula. IMR equal to number of deaths of infant in a year divided by number of live births in a year into 1000. See, substitute values, number of deaths of neonatal, number of deaths 500 divided by number of live births 10,000 into 1000, then we will get 50. IMR equal to what? 50. Okay. Next, seventh problem. In a locality, out of 10,000 live births, in a locality, out of 10,000 live births, in a locality, out of 10,000 live births, 90 mothers died due to childbirth. Number of live births are 10,000. 10,000 live births, 90 mothers died due to childbirth. Okay, mothers died is 90. Calculate MMR, maternal mortality rate. Calculate maternal mortality rate. You have to apply formula. MMR equal to number of or total number of deaths of mothers due to childbirth divided by number of live births in a year, into 1000. Here number of deaths of mothers is 90, mothers died is 90 divided by number of live births 10,000 into 1000, then we will get 9. MMR equal to maternal mortality rate is 9. Okay, it's complete your mortality and types of measures are different measures of mortalities and problems completed. The next class we shall discuss the reproduction rates. Okay, thank you.